What is up everybody? Ako nga po pala si Justlike PH and we're back again for another video. And for today's video is we're gonna play short creepy stories dito sa Roblox. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung 2 weeks ako hindi ako nakapag-upload kasi nawalan ng wifi since last weekend. Kaya yung araw lang siya bumalik. And ayun yung nag-cause kung bakit hindi ako naka-upload ng video ng kahit isa lang. Hindi ko alam kung nangyari sa avatar ko. Wala yung ulo pero yun na nga. Magjo-joins ata si Joss. So, kung hindi nyo kilala si Joss, kasama ko siya palagi kapag magre-record ako. And most of my video is kasama siya. Lalo na yung sa pinakaunang video ko. And, yeah. Wag na daw. Ako na lang mag-isa. Sorry. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Halloween story. Night cleaner. Dollhouse. Vanishing of Karen. I don't care. Ito! The most nostalgic game or story. Night Shift on Route 90. So, ito ang una nating lalaro and let's see. Okay! We are in 12.5. Apakaganda ng title. So, sa pagkakaalam ko is isa tayong worker dito. At nagbago yung mga stock. I hope there will be viewers. Ano yan? Okay. Map. Map the floor. Map the floor. Ano nangyayari dito tuwing umaga? Sino ba yung mga customer dito tuwing umaga? But kapag tuwing gabi, napakadumi ng convenience store. I mean, yeah. Pero hindi naman talaga yung ganito kadumi. Napakasipag ko talaga. Meron pa ba? Siguro yun. Ginulat ko yung sarili ko. Wow. No USB has obviously gone crazy. The manager asked him several times what to do with this. It looks like some kind of Japanese shop. Para siya yung yung sticker dun sa Naruto, yung kapag nag-jutsu ka sa sabog. Okay. Tatapon na tayo ng basurahan. Ng basura. I hate this! I hate this! I fucking hate this. Ayoko ng ganito. Long hallway. Pag talikod mo, may humahabol na sa'yo. So, what are these? Ah! Kinabahan ako sa sarili ko. May tao. Sir! Kamusta? Naglalag ka, sir, ah. Kamukha niyo si Coco Martin. Yeah, me. I will only take this. Okay. You owe me $17? Magkano yung $17? Oh, I forgot my wallet. Can I pay later? Okay, but be sure to pay later. Mabait akong tao ngayon, okay? Ito. Kunin ko tong mga to. I have nothing to do. I will carry. At anong to, ha? Bro, dalawa kamay mo. I have nothing to do. Kaya lalagay mo siya 1 by 1. Nasiraan ka na ba? Ayoko tumalik. You're good. You're safe, you know. Click to put here. Take. Ah! Let's just forget na nangyayari. Kuya. Nasisiraan ako ng loob sa'yo, kuya. Kunin mo na lang sila, dalawa. Dali na, oh. Baka naman. Ako yung nahihirapan. Okay. Last one. Ayoko nang gawin to. Ayoko nang mag-restock. No. bago kayo umalis, yung mga day shift employees, mag-restock kayo bago kayo umalis. Kasi ako yung nahihirapan dito. Uy, si ate. Hello po. Kuya naman eh. Ah! Bakit ka ganyan, kuya? Why is everything so expensive? Hindi ko po alam. Inflation po kasi. You're an idiot. Huwag kang bumili dito kung... Bakit ganun? Bakit ang tahimik? Bro. Umalis ka dito, ha? Umalis ka dito. Ba't? Ano to? Oh, man. Nasusunog yung basurahan. Parang di naman nasusunog. Anong ginagawa ko dito? Parang... Ito. Yung nasa labas. Garbage can kasi. Hindi yung garbage bin. Iba yung garbage bin sa garbage can, okay? Taos lang. Okay, nawawala na. Nawawala na. Wala na. Nag-iiba yung tunog. Uy! Wait lang. Hinga. Okay, hinga. Umalis ka dito. Asan ka? Tara dito. Hoy!
An emergency power outage at 12:40 a.m. at night occurred in 5 districts, due to a technological failure at the substation. Power engineers of the Central Electric Grids put into operation backup diesel power plants. It is reported that the power supply was interrupted, as a result of the disconnection of the 110 kilovolt high voltage cable line. Work is underway to temporarily restore power supply to consumers, the press service of IB's reported. Another news of the day, today. You know what you're listening to. It's behind you. I repeat. It's behind you.
Hey, chill out. Hinga. Okay, Slay, hinga. Bumalik na yung ilaw. Okay, bumalik na yung kuryente. At may customer na tayo. Ba't parang nangyari ito kuya? Siya ba yung uminom kanina? Siya ba yung bumili ng ala kanina? What? Bibili ka pa ng alak? Are you crazy? I overdid it a little, but it's okay. I'll take more. You owe me $17.3 again. Yes, I remember. This time I have the wallet. The wallet is with me. Take 100 and keep the change yourself. Uy! Salamat, napakabait mo kuya. Dapat nag-stick. Utang na mo, umalis ka dito. Yung camera. Si kuya. Kuya, saan ka galing? Check mo din ako ng CCTV. Ayan. Ano yung dinala mo? Ano yan? Tape yan? You found what you were looking for. You owe me $4 for $4 for that piece of shit? Are you serious? Looks like the freezer is broken and needs to be cleaned. Asa yung freezer? Ito? O yun dito sa loob? Feeling ko dito sa loob. Lobo? Bro! Lobo, ba't ka nandyan? Wa- Yo! Ano nangyari? Nobu! Ikaw ba yan? Okay ka lang? Okay. Bro! What the fuck just happened? Oh. Oh. Parang may taong dumaan sa gilid. Yeah. Saan ka galing, kuya? What did you want?
Today at 3 a.m. a Chevrolet van was found, which flew off the road at high speed.
Oh!
Unfortunately, the driver did not survive. During the
Ay,
audit, it was
wait.
found that the man
Ayun
who
ba
was
yung
driving
uminom?
was in a state of intoxication.
Oh my god. Whoa! Wait. Wait lang! Wait. Putong ino ko. Tara dito. Pumasok kayo. Pasok kayo dito. Putang ino ko. There you go. Ay, babalik ko. Apakatanga ko naman. Well, my shift is over. I will go home na. Yeah. Yay! I'm going home, y'all. Goodbye.